Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Modern Deep Learning in Python, Deep Learning in Python Part 2. In this lecture, we're going to implement Dropout in PyTorch. As you'll see, this is going to be very simple. In fact, there will only be three main changes. The relevant file for this lecture is PyTorch dropout.py in the course repo. So firstly, in order to make this script, I copied and pasted everything from PyTorch example2.py. So this script is going to be very similar to that, and all we're interested in this lecture is what changed. So the first thing, which should be quite obvious given the title of this lecture, is that I've added some dropout layers. So remember that I want to add these to the data before doing the linear transformation. So I have three dropouts, dropout 1, dropout 2, and dropout 3. So dropout 1 comes before dense 1, dropout 2 comes before dense 2, and dropout 3 comes before dense 3. Now note that the p argument in the dropout object corresponds to pdrop and not pkeep, which is what's used in TensorFlow. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so there's not much to see here, just a few new layers. Next, we have a small change to our train function. Remember that dropout has two different modes of operation, train and test. In train mode, we actually drop data, but in test mode, we do not. So in PyTorch, what we do is call the train function on the model, and this sets it to train mode when you do training things, like getting the output and then doing the gradient descent step. So every layer within the model also knows it is in train mode and can behave accordingly. Now, of course, this also means that my get, cost, and predict functions should no longer be in train mode, and that's exactly what you see. So in these functions, I call model.eval so that now I'm in evaluation mode. And after this, everything remains the same. So let's run this and see what we get.